The U.S. Mexico border wall stands as a stark symbol of the ongoing debate about immigration and national security. It is a physical manifestation of the policies and sentiments that shape the discourse around who gets to enter and stay in the country. This imposing barrier, stretching for miles across the rugged terrain, represents a new era of border enforcement. It is designed to be more than just a physical blockade. It is a statement of intent and a tool for modern governance. Gone are the days of simple fences and barriers. The rudimentary structures of the past have given way to a sophisticated system that aims to address the complexities of contemporary border issues. The modern border wall incorporates cutting-edge technology and robust construction techniques. From high-tech sensors to advanced surveillance systems, it is equipped to detect and deter unauthorized crossings. The wall has sparked intense controversy since its inception. It has become a flashpoint in political debates with strong opinions on both sides of the aisle. Proponents argue it is essential for stemming illegal immigration and drug trafficking. They believe it is a necessary measure to protect national security and uphold the rule of law. Critics counter that it is a costly and ineffective symbol of xenophobia. They argue that it fails to address the root causes of migration and instead fosters division and fear. The wall's evolution, from its early iterations to its current high-tech form, reflects the complex challenges of managing a border in the 21st century. The wall's impact extends beyond its physical presence. It affects the lives of those who live near it, shaping their daily experiences and interactions. It has ignited political battles, divided communities, and raised profound questions about national identity and the meaning of security. The wall is more than just a structure. It is a symbol of the values and priorities of a nation. As technology continues to advance, the border wall is likely to become even more sophisticated, further blurring the lines between physical infrastructure and digital surveillance. This integration of technology raises new ethical and practical considerations. This evolution raises important questions about the future of border security and its implications for human rights and international relations. As we look to the future, the debate over the border wall will undoubtedly continue to evolve, reflecting the changing dynamics of our world. The U.S. Mexico border wall did not emerge overnight. It is the result of a long and complex history. Its roots stretch back decades, evolving alongside shifting political winds and approaches to border security. Each administration brought its own perspective and policies, shaping the wall we see today. The 1990s marked a turning point. During this decade, the focus on border security intensified significantly. The war on drugs and concerns about illegal immigration fueled a push for increased border enforcement. This period saw a surge in political and public demand for stronger measures. The result was the construction of the first significant border fences in key areas. These initial efforts laid the groundwork for future expansions. These early barriers were rudimentary compared to today's structures. They were basic and often hastily constructed. They often consisted of repurposed military landing mats or chain-link fences. These materials were readily available and cost-effective. While providing a visible deterrent, they were easily breached. The simplicity of these barriers made them vulnerable to various methods of circumvention. The early 2000s saw the passage of the Secure Fence Act. This legislation marked a significant shift in border security strategy. This legislation authorized the construction of hundreds of miles of new fencing. The aim was to create a more formidable barrier. The focus shifted from simple barriers to more robust structures. These new designs were intended to be more durable and harder to breach. Double-layered fencing, vehicle barriers, and increased surveillance technology became commonplace. These enhancements aimed to create a multi-layered defense system. The evolution of the wall reflects a growing emphasis on prevention through deterrence. The strategy was to make illegal crossings as difficult as possible. The goal was to make crossing the border so difficult and dangerous that potential migrants and smugglers would be discouraged from attempting it. This approach relied heavily on the natural and man-made obstacles. This approach, however, has been criticized for its humanitarian consequences, pushing migrants to more remote and perilous crossing points. Critics argue that it has led to increased suffering and loss of life. Today's border wall is a far cry from its predecessors. It's a testament to modern engineering and technological innovation. Towering 30-foot steel bollards, filled with concrete for added strength, form the backbone of the barrier. These bollards are designed to withstand breaching attempts by vehicles and tools. They are often painted black, creating an imposing visual deterrent. The wall is more than just steel and concrete. It's a high-tech surveillance system. Advanced lighting systems illuminate the border at night, providing visibility for Border Patrol agents. Sensors detect movement and vibrations, alerting authorities to potential breaches. Cameras equipped with facial recognition technology monitor the border 24/7. Drones equipped with infrared cameras patrol the skies, providing aerial surveillance and extending the reach of border enforcement. This integration of technology aims to create a virtual wall, augmenting the physical barrier with a digital layer of detection and deterrence. The use of such technology, however, raises concerns about privacy and the potential for misuse. The construction and management of the border wall are massive undertakings, involving a multitude of resources and coordination efforts. They involve a complex web of government agencies, contractors, and law enforcement personnel, all working together to ensure the project's success. At the heart of this operation is U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, a division of the Department of Homeland Security, DHS. CBP's role is multifaceted, encompassing both security and facilitation of legal activities. CBP is responsible for securing U.S. borders and facilitating legal trade and travel. Their duties range from inspecting cargo to interacting with travelers at border crossings. Within CBP, Task Force Barrier plays a pivotal role in overseeing the border wall project. This specialized unit ensures that the construction process is streamlined and efficient. This specialized unit coordinates with various stakeholders, including the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, which provides engineering and construction expertise. Their collaboration is essential for addressing the technical challenges of the project. Task Force Barrier is responsible for ensuring that the wall's construction adheres to federal standards and meets operational requirements. They conduct regular inspections and quality control checks. The Department of Homeland Security sets the overall strategic direction for the border wall project. DHS's role is crucial in defining the project's scope and objectives. It determines where sections of the wall will be built, allocates funding, and establishes performance metrics. These metrics help in assessing the project's progress and effectiveness. DHS considers factors such as existing infrastructure, terrain, and patterns of illegal activity when making decisions about the wall's construction. These considerations ensure that the wall is built in the most strategic locations. The department also plays a crucial role in coordinating with Mexican authorities on border security matters. This international cooperation is vital for addressing cross-border challenges and ensuring mutual security.